Welcome to updating your WolfWare profile. Have you ever responded in a forum and had trouble connecting a face with a name? Want to help your students connect online as much as they do in person? Having participants in a course update their profile picture can be a great way for them to connect with their fellow classmates as well as you, the instructor. The profile used in Moodle is based on a user's WolfWare profile. This is so the same user profile is available on all the Moodle servers you use. You can go directly to the WolfWare profile page to update, or in Moodle, when clicking on your profile, edit profile, WolfWare profile page. You'll see there is some information that you are unable to change, such as your name or your email. But the main feature of the WolfWare profile is the user picture, also known as the profile picture. If you would like to upload a profile picture from this menu, you would select Choose File. Then you would navigate to your computer where your profile picture was located, select that image, click Open, and then you will be able to save that new user picture. You can also at this time add a picture description, which is great when you want your students that need ADA compliance to be able to understand that this is a Bethany Smith profile picture. When I click Save Changes, you'll then see under User Picture that my image has been updated. It will take approximately 5 minutes for your profile picture to update on all the different Moodle servers. But the good news is that you only have to update this once. Every academic year, your user profile will be repropagated from the WolfWare profile to the new Moodle server. We hope you will update your WolfWare profile and encourage your students to update theirs as well.